we're here for our 15th birthday. It's been quite a journey, and we figured what is the better way to celebrate than the Lion King premiere. It's very exciting and looking forward to seeing it.
I think it's going to put a great emphasis on Africa. It's going to put a great emphasis on African wildlife, and hopefully it's going to create a whole lot of inspiration for travelers to come to Africa.
The Lion King. I mean, the first one that came out I watched over 100 times, so this is so special and I absolutely can't wait.
We all know that iconic where Simba gets held up to the tribe, and I think on Mandela Day it's just appropriate that we're launching this movie and reminiscing of that moment, because that's what you're doing as a country. We're uplifting all our youth and our youngsters on Mandela Day.
I just think it's such a beautiful story. You know, something amazing that for children and adults alike.
We had 65 kids with us to watch a screening of The Lion King. It's really special for us to come together from Rhino Africa and Khumbulani and just experience the magic that is Africa.